The truth about extended reality and why you might be missing out. Consider what life and work in our world might be like in 2030 and beyond. For example, you might be able to shop for a new home anywhere in the world as if you were there, or go to lunch in a distant location, thanks to developments in extended reality, a general term for immersive technologies that merge real and virtual worlds. The XR market is anticipated to grow to $209 billion by 2022, which is 8 times where it is now. This enormous growth might indicate that the realities of our lives in 2030 are incomprehensible to us now. Extended reality is drastically taking on the world. Its constant evolution and urbanization are helping us learn more about the physical world. However, this technology is familiar. It became mainstream in the 2010s era, and only after society saw its true potential did it impact the XR technology and gaming market. Only a few people knew what it was or what it did. People knew it was VR. With the pandemic in 2020 and social distancing, understanding of this industry and the benefits it could provide, the growth has been to improve the world was seen by society. The development of the same has grown and will continue to grow into the future. So here's everything you need to know about XR technology. Watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel TechUniverse for more uploads like this. Here we begin. What is extended reality? Extended reality, XR, refers to the digital environment in contact with the physical world, where the user can contact the physical world using wearable and handheld technology. XR is a newly coined term that refers to all immersive technologies, the ones that are still in development as well as the ones we already have, such as AR, VR, and MR, for mixed reality. By fusing the virtual and real worlds, or by creating a completely immersive experience, all immersive technologies expand the reality we experience. More than 60% of respondents thought XR would become widely used within the next 5 years. Let's examine each current technology to get a clear picture of XR. Features of extended reality. Thermal and power. It is extremely difficult to meet the always-on, compute-intensive workloads of XR with power and thermal constraints of sleek XR glasses. Typical lighting. Making virtual objects in augmented worlds distinguishable from real objects is a huge challenge, especially under different lighting conditions. Display. XR requires a disruptive revolution in technology to show richer visual content and seamlessly switch between real and virtual worlds. Motion detection. To interact intuitively with our XR glasses and create immersion, intelligent on-device tracking of our heads, hands, and eyes is required. Technology. For XR to release its full potential, it must have constant and ubiquitous access to the internet for cloud services. Business applications of extended reality. XR has a wide range of useful applications. To name a few, retail. XR enables customers to try on products before purchasing them. With the help of an augmented reality app, you can try on Rolex watches on your actual wrist, and IKEA customers can use their smartphones to place virtual furniture in their own home. Training. Especially in life or death situations, XR can offer hyper-realistic training tools that assist soldiers, medical professionals, pilots and astronauts, chemists, and others in finding solutions to issues or learning how to react to perilous situations without endangering their own or anyone else's lives. Remote work. Employees can connect to their home office or experts around the globe in a way that simulates being in the same room. Marketing. The potential for XR to engage with consumers and the potential customers will have marketing professionals considering all the ways they can use XR to benefit their business. Real estate. If people can walk through spaces to decide if they want it, or even where they are in another location, finding buyers or tenants may be easier. The entertainment sector will continue developing new immersive technology applications as early adopters. Pros of VR. Realistic hard and soft skill practice. Using XR technology, learners can practice hard skills such as operating and repairing equipment, as well as soft skills such as communication and empathy through realistic interactions with people and equipment. Safe experiential learning. XR training creates a safe experiential learning environment where learners can practice taking risks and learning from their mistakes. Collect key metrics that aid in ROI determination. An XRS assists organizations in collecting training metrics that measure knowledge retention and indicate whether their investment has a measurable ROI. Convenient to scale and reuse. With an XRS and additional access options, organizations can easily scale and reuse XR training across their organization. Cons of VR. Technological advancements and periodic updates. Like any other cutting-edge technology, XR is subject to periodic hardware and software updates. Solution: invest in an XRS that allows you to easily deliver updated content to your learners no matter where they are. Every time content needs to be updated, an XRS eliminates the need to travel or transfer equipment. Side effects and health risks. Learners may experience nausea, headaches, and eye strain as a result of using AR and VR technology. The solution is to avoid potential health and safety risks. Organizations should provide alternative training access options. For example, learners who feel uncomfortable wearing the headset could access their XR training through the desktop. High upfront development and equipment costs. Due to the fact that XR is a newer technology in the trading space, this may be higher upfront development and equipment costs compared to more traditional learning models. The solution is that there are always ways to reduce XR training costs, such as starting with a pilot program and utilizing internal resources or personnel. Problems with XR. Some of the barriers to widespread adoption are being overcome by those working on XR technologies. First, XR technologies gather and process highly sensitive data about our daily activities, including what you look at, do, and even feel. This data must be protected. In addition, the cost of adopting the technology must decrease, otherwise many businesses will need help to do so. Finally, the wearable technology that enables a full XR experience must be stylish, comfortable, always connected, intelligent, and immersive. The display, power, and thermal motion tracking, connectivity, and common illumination are just a few of the significant technical and hardware problems that need to be resolved to prevent virtual objects in the real world from appearing identical to real objects, especially when the lighting changes. We are getting closer to finding solutions to these problems every day, which means over the next few years, XR technology will be used in a much wider range of everyday applications. Future of extended reality. We are pioneering XR and uniquely positioned to provide superior mobile XR solutions at low power. We're working on the foundational technology for XR, including immersive 3D graphics, computer vision, machine learning, intuitive security, and 5G technologies. And we're collaborating with the ecosystem and investing in leading XR companies to make our XR vision a reality sooner. A single device that can do everything. We envision the smartphone, mobile VR headset, and AR glasses combined into a single XR wearable in the future. XR could replace all your other screens, such as the big TV in your living room. Mobile XR, like the smartphone today, has the potential to become one of the most ubiquitous and distributive platforming programs. XR experiences are limitless. By combining on-device processing, 5G, and edge cloud processing, Boundless XR creates an immersive mobile XR experience with photorealistic visuals. In addition, we are guiding the XR and 5G ecosystems towards a split rendering architecture that provides a cost-effective end-to-end solution. So what do you think about extended reality? Let us know your views in the comments below, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.